Let's talk first alert weather. The chief is here. So tonight is that one night if people got lulled into a little false sense and maybe hook the hose up outside to wash the car or something like that.
Yeah.
Unhook that thing tonight, right?
Yeah. Unhook it for tonight. Temperatures back down to the freezing mark for tonight. So not down to hard freeze territory, but we're going to be seeing temperatures down to about 32 or maybe 31 in some spots. So what we're tracking, though, is a warm up on the way tomorrow and Sunday. 53 degrees tomorrow, Sunday 64 with partly cloudy skies. Both days we'll see that mix of sun and clouds, but we have this rain snow mix happening northeast sides and north sides of North Texas tonight. It's still happening for us, but then as we go into next week, we have more precip in the forecast in the form of some more widespread rain. But looking at the first alert radar right now, it's been interesting watching this over the last probably hour to an hour and a half, seeing some light snow falling. Collinsville stretching down to near Tioga, stretching down to near Gunter. That's where we're seeing some of that moving its way on in. We could possibly see some of this make its way down through parts of Denton County, the north sides right now of Collin County, near Weston, north of Salina. That's where we do have some of that light snow moving in. Collinsville right along 377, maybe seeing some of those bigger flakes falling. So I don't think the temperatures are cold enough we're going to see any accumulation from this, but don't be surprised if we see that kind of rotating its way through. We knew that possibly was going to happen on the backside of this low pressure system, this upper level low that's tracking right over North Texas and continue to travel its way down towards the east southeast. So we're seeing that wraparound effect happening, and that's in the forecast as we go into the evening hours. So maybe some of this kind of drifting its way into the northeast sides there of Dallas County, maybe close to Tarrant County. Now the Dallas Skycam shows some of the clearing out to the west. So a beautiful sunset. It's 40 degrees right now with our winds out of the northwest, northwest, right around about 15 miles per hour. So the first alert futurecast picks up on that flow from the north to the south. So off and on tonight, maybe some light rain, maybe some snowflakes mixing in. That's all going to shift its way down towards the southeast. And we see the clouds out towards the west in the morning hours really clear out. So clear skies will be a colder start. Cloudy, not as cold in the east sides of North Texas, at least for tomorrow morning. So right now we're sitting at 40 degrees. It's Friday night. Finally, winds out the northwest at 14, making it feel like 32. So we have temperatures at 38 in Bowie to 39 in McKinney to 43 in Mineola. The next 6 hours, our temperatures cool their way down to about 38 degrees with that northwest wind holding on. That 20% precip chance still sticking around. Overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, down into the mid-30s, some spots below the freezing mark, and then we do warm up into the 50s for tomorrow. I want to point out, keep the umbrella close by. Monday into Tuesday, rain chances around 80%. Valentine's Day, 70 degrees. Then look at Wednesday, 76. That's nice and warm. It doesn't last. We're at 48 on Thursday.